Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys? Today we will discuss about the strongest enemy ahead of the Shinobi world. Before entering the video, don't forget to subscribe. In Boruto chapter 56 we learned that Naruto is calling for a 5-Kage summit in order to relay intelligence to the leaders of the other villages. Ashiki Otsutsuki may be dead, but Sasuke lost his Rinnegan. The collective battle prowess of the Shinobi world has been greatly diminished. In Boruto chapter 56 we also learn about cyborgs that surpasses even the power of Jigen. We also learned that Yamato placed limitations on Kode's body in order to restrain his immense power, so Kode may possess the pure power of Ashiki Otsutsuki, but much like Jigen it doesn't appear that his body can handle that much power. Now we know that the Boruto series likes to borrow concepts from the original Naruto series, so it's entirely possible that during the 5-Kage summit Kode invades much like Sasuke did in the original Kage summit of Naruto. Now remember, the Gaara organization had been decimated, but Kode is going to need some help. He's going to need some allies, and there's no help better than cyborgs that surpasses even the immense power of Jigen. I believe that Boruto will accompany Naruto to the 5-Kage summit to relay information that only he would know. I believe that we'll see a preview of Boruto versus Kode, but maybe Kode's body will break down from using immense power of Ishiki's, which will cause him to retreat, and motivating Boruto to train to defeat him in the future. Now I think Kode will show up to the 5-Kage summit with one or two of Yamato cyborgs. The Kage and everyone else will team up to battle this one cyborgs and get their asses beat. However, I believe that in the end they will defeat this cyborg, but they will realize that the threat level is high, that it took all of them just to barely defeat one of them. These things. By the end of this 5-Kage summit Kode may declare war against the entire Shinobi world. It may become the 5th Great Ninja War. I want to know your guys' opinion, so leave a comment down below letting me know your opinion about this. Don't forget to subscribe guys and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.